Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever we are. This is Ruth James. According to my birthday, I was born yesterday, and I am so honored. And what people have shown me, I felt special because of the love that my people have shown me. No kelu mi ya nyos ngaka social media, some ya your telephony, some of you came to me surprised. Up to now the gifts are still coming. People are bringing them. I was just coming from work, from Concerned Nuer Women work, because we are partnering with Concerned Nuer Women in the POC side. So we are just coming from that work, and I was surprised with another birthday cake this evening. So that shows that there's a lot of people that cares, that loves me. And to me, I really don't know what to say, what to give you, but I'm just coming to say thank you so much for the love that you have for me, and thank you so much for praying for me. There have been a lot of prayers on the social media, a lot of people yanga your telephone, individually yanga wish happy birthday, and all the gifts. I don't know what to say, but Kanga, I'm really coming here to say thank you so much to all of you. In my life, it's not been easy since I was born. I learned life the hard way. Up to today where I am. And it's because of the love of the people. Whatever we do, you guys are always there for me. So to me, it's just an appreciation to God, because if it's not for Him, I wouldn't be here. I remember during Corona, I contracted Corona. I stayed for 17 days, and later on, I was okay. And then again, I had an accident in 2019, and I also survived. And also a lot of things that have happened in my life, but God have always been there for me. You people, you have all been there for me. I appreciate my parents, I appreciate my friends, I appreciate my relatives, my community, my country people. I can't do without you. I'm here because you're there, because of the love, the kind words, the good messages that you gave me every day. So to everybody, I am here to say thank you so much. I've been so busy, that's why I did not respond to you, but it's a must. I said I must find time to come and say thank you. And I pray for betterness for all of you. Pray for peace, and pray that God is everything. You can never achieve anything without God. You can never be anybody without God. I've seen God in my life. In everything that I've done, and He's always there for me, and He's the only person I believe in. So kanga be could take care, and then to continue listening to my videos, and also correct me if need be, and then also support me with different ideas. Everything I'm doing is at least to leave a legacy behind. We never know. We only know now. We don't know tomorrow. Either do I know. But we'll all be remembered with what we are leaving behind, with the seeds we are planting today. And I'm trying my level best to plant a seed of love, a seed of teamwork, a team of unity, a seed of togetherness, a seed of unity. I will repeat unity several times, because without unity, there can never be anything. So on this birthday of mine, I'm wishing you good health, protection. Whoever have been looking for something and I've never received it, I am wishing you that you receive or you get whatever you have been wishing for. You are all dreams to come true. I love all of you. Continue being there for me, and I'll always be there for you. And then let's work for our country. Let's protect our country. Let's love our brothers and sisters. Know very well, without your brother or sister, you can never go anywhere. There's a lot of people who walk alone and they have never succeeded. Let's work together. Let's protect each other. Let's build each other up. Let's have healthy competition. Let's leave unhealthy competition behind. And we are all South Sudanese. We are all Africans. We are all human beings. Whether where we came from, whether you are brown, you are red, you are yellow, whatever color you are, we have the same blood, which is red. We have the same soul, which unite all of us. We are all the same because of the soul that we have. So nobody is more important than the other one. And we need each other for us to go ahead, for us to be powerful, for us to build our country. We need each other. We need a musician. We need a comedian. We need a humanitarian. We need a government officials. We need all people in the churches. We need everybody for our country to move forward. So without me, there's no you, and without you, there's no me. Together, we make our country. And together, we make this world complete. So in everything that you are doing, make sure you glorify God in it. God is everything. Without God in the things that you do, there's no happiness. Today I can testify, without God, I cannot be sitting here today. I've seen God in everything that I've been through in my life. And this is the hope. I'm alive today because of the love that God has shown me. I might not be maybe a millionaire today, but whatever I've achieved is because of Him. And I thank Him for that. And everybody, thank God into the level that you are today. Never wish to be anybody. Just love yourself the way you are, accept yourself the way you are, and do things to your capacity. Never copy anybody. So, Ajano, I love you all. To all my people, I don't know what to say, but it's to say thank you. The cards, the messages, I don't know. I've been reading them and I'm like, wow, I'm so lucky to have all of you. And let the love that you have shown me be shown to everybody. Preach love. Give love to other people. And especially to my mothers, the concerned Nuer women. We're so proud of you. I'm really so lucky, at least to be alive during your time. The love you're showing South Sudanese, the love you're showing your fellow women, may God protect you wherever you are. I know whatever we are doing today, we are not realizing a lot of results, but the impact is there. And to everybody, do something with impact. Let whatever you are doing, let the impact be seen in it. So, thank you so much. I love you all. And I am so happy. And I thank God. I glorify Him in everything I've received today. Let God be with you until we meet again. And happy birthday to everybody that have been born together with me in the same day. And I'm so lucky in my organization. During my birthday, I received 2 sons. 2 boys were born in the same month. One was born the same day I was born, which was yesterday. He's 1 day old today. And the other one is 1 month, 2 weeks. So that is one of the gifts that I really thank God for. And I pray for them to be lucky, to achieve, and God to always be there for them. So I'm so lucky to have all of you. There's nothing much I can say. I'm just so happy. So thank you so much. And I love you. Mwah.